Guys, welcome back to Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you guys for joining us. We are out here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back. We got seafood and drinks in the back there. She's out drop line fishing. She got her line set in the water already, guys. And I got my 3 lines set up over here. I'm sure you guys know my setup already. She's doing her little video shoot. And I got my rod stand set up, my 3 rods. Rods are in the water setting. And I'm going to pull out my lure in a second. That's over there by the rest of my gears, guys. And just get busy and start throwing out. Stay tuned. She's doing drop line fishing today. The last video, I'm sure you guys seen the frustration I went through in teaching Nikki lessons. We're good friends, guys. Don't pay no mind. Look, fish on your line. Look, it's about to go off. Hold on. Don't touch it yet. I seen something hit it a while ago. Nikki's gonna catch her first fish on live. Double check it. I just seen something hit it. Keep tension on it. Oh no, I think it's that stick that's floating in the water that hit it. You see it? See it? The waves smacked that stick into it. I thought it was something, guys. Alright. Hi guys, stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, guys. Big up yourself. Morning guys, shore fishing here. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. We're here at the Bueno in Rio Bueno, Chilani, guys, and I'm going to cast out some lure this morning. I don't know what I'm going to be able to pick up this morning, so let's see what's out there and see what we can pick up, guys. See if we're going to get a good run this morning. I got my line set, guys. I'm just test my lures out here this morning and see if I can grab me something here this morning on this lure. I gotta watch these lines, guys. Can't be too far, because Nikki's not paying attention to a friggin' thing in the world. This is not for her. The fishing is not for Nikki at all. She's just not gonna be making this fishing thing very good. Not her style. I gotta listen out for them bells, guys, while I hunt for a barrel right here. He's into everything else except for fishing, guys. Look. Nikki's in everything else except for fishing. That's why I'm saying that the next trip, she's staying home. Seriously, she ain't coming nowhere with me. Nikki, fish on your line! Fish step on your bumper clock line, man! You still on the power camera? A fish in your camera, you sit on the phone. Take up the line and catch the fish. You sit on there and play with the fish. Where you come fishing for? Where you come?
I know he's always yelling at me. I don't want to. I'm just thinking to you.
A good fish, man. Like one jack.
Fish on
good fish.
You know the.
He might go sideways, the jack, you know.
You got
Good
him.
guy.
Right, you got him today. You know that? Come here.
Fish on.
Today.
I see me see the line from way up. That's about a good thing for me. I look around, you know.
Yes. That's nice boy. Man.
Look here.
Yeah, some cheap line that we're carrying.
Eh?
Even though I'm
You look at
carrying.
you.
Look here. Look how it has hole in lip. That's why you see me run down here so fast, you know.
Hard job is about it.
Yeah.
The line strong.
Yeah, man, the line
Guys,
strong,
my
man.
line did it, but other me pull it in. But yeah, my
You see, I'm
line
frightened when I see line, I think say rather run off in the water, but a good thing I said.
Oh yeah, show my fist.
Oh, I put you
I'm gonna get a touch off from it.
You want that to shot?
I say Nicky's make the line and run off the right. I see me see the line from up there, so. A good hook me up on, you know, brother. Some strong hook, you know. And Nicky line first, me said. And I feel line first catch fish. How far I send them out, man. So what I do is, I lucky say I set the drag, you see there? You see what I do earlier? I do so in case anything happening, it can pull. And then I go, look at the bumbo clad. People look here. Me can't manage Nicky today, you know. So when you come, if you can't touch a fish and you want to yam the fish.
I know that you want to keep
But me have to work in that state, I'm afraid.
Jesus, people, me I tell you, Nicky stress me out of fishing more than anything else. And she give me the highest stress when I come fishing, you know. Yo, brother, who you know some of them, you know, I'm lure me a cast out, you know.
Yes, you are going.
Come me there interview you in some herbs for
Hold this here,
some
man.
wash out.
Pass English, give me. Pass English.
Oh yeah, now I can hold it. How much pound it weighs?
You know, we're 1 pound yet.
Oh, sheep water.
Mm-hmm.
I could eat.
One scale upon that, you know.
I could eat still.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I think 10 pound one grab on fire right here.
So me catch one 5 pound one right just the other day, man. With this right there. Alright, just somebody me and Gio them today. Me and Gio and Barrow and Nell. All the way they done here and Pang. Yeah. I want Barra, I say I hunt for the look stretch here, you know. I say I look see if no Barra might be out there sit down. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh God, anytime jackfish there, man. Yeah. Nicky, listen out to the line them. Do not stand here sitting on that phone and the line go up. I'm trying to hunt same way. Give me, yo, put the fish in a cooler and give me my tool. So I need my tool in case I catch something. Yeah, I got to scale him.
Huh? You mean oh yeah, I could scale a fish.
Hold on. Look when I want them hold
Should I
yesterday,
wash it
Ella.
off?
Ella, I hold them here too yesterday. I cook them up today, you know.
Oh, I can't fish.
The jack.
I jack.
I hold them here yesterday in the balio.
Okay.
Put him in there.
No, should I wash it off? It's
Put him in
dirty.
a fish.
Oh.
Everything in a plastic bag in there, sir. More up on ice. Pull back the black something. Nicky, push him down like that. Nicky, so you can't manage, you know. You cannot manage, Nicky.
No, you gotta pull that in for me. I wouldn't mind when I catch our next one.
Nicky, you have to listen out for these bells while I'm walking. Because I'm hunting a barracuda as well. And do not go down there and mess with them dogs. You hear me? You see how they gang up together? Don't go mess with them. Stay up here.
My dad asked him about some bush.
You see the amount of a dog together in a one spot? Do not go near them. You see this one stay up here, so I wire them out to wire now. Yeah. Nathan. Hey Gio! Gio, Line up some coal. Or some wood. Just line up one fire. Because we have fry up some fish. Me have the fish. Me have some jackfish in there to fry up, Joe. Hey guys, I had to make the dash. Head for Nikki's line a while ago because line went off and Nikki's not paying no attention to nothing in the world but fishing, guys. Those fish on. Nikki's right there. Nikki, listen out for the bells! Here, shore fishing fans. The headaches. I'm up here trying to pick up a barrow or something up here on the lure, guys, while my drop lines are set. Just killing off the beach like I'm sitting here, and instead of wasting the time, I'll just drop the lure in, walk out this distance and the next side, or in case anything we change our mind, this side we're gonna go out to the pier. But just running the beach, see if I can pick anything up. Just running that trough. Rocks are catching it. And yo, Nell. Yeah, Charlie. Yo, Gio. She just catch one fish look a while. That I forgot got on scale. I know she catch it still. Cause in what less in turn up there and watch me have to reel in the fish. Yeah, he couldn't manage it, Yeah, man. About almost pound. Good size fish, man. He get on the light line there. He get a nice fight on the light rod. I see I done this, so I cast out loads of blood cleat and I see line. Me see line go so. Here. Nell, let me see go so. Here. Let me see line go so. Here. That's a bumbo clot, you know. Watch your blood clot, lad. And me run a full speed come down, you know. But when I wait, a good thing to remember, so I set the jog loose, so in case he pull the line, I line him or pull. But if the line done, the rod gone, I see. So it's like, you need to go on the song, get a bit of it. Hey, now we're turn up on. It must have around here somewhere. I'm about half a day over there for some place, lad. You are not swim good. Anytime you get hitched up on a hook like that, never swims good at all. Look here, snapper, you see him? See that snapper again? Eh? Nah, chase it back again. Ah, kind of chip up stuff. Listen, snap and grab again, brother. Alright, just in disappear a while now. No, you have to melt, don't grown. Nell, roll out. I hate cross are sitting there. Even though I know they're probably strong still. I thought I want one bar on there after two. You see not move. So I one fish move between the rocks, that's about him little bit. You can't mess up now. I hate walk across sitting there. You don't like it, Mel? You know, Nell?
Yeah.
I don't like it at all. I mean, they put a board here for you know? Yeah? I never trust it sitting.
Really like this, me give them the opportunity to run up on it, you see it? Alright, so I'm gonna get the last lick on in deep between this here. Nice big fish, you know. It looked like it was a jack or something though. Because I had ran the lure from this way, and somebody get the lick. Here guys. Ooh, some whole heap of jackfish on here, you know? Some whole heap of jackfish up on the side, that's all. We're running. Watch it. And this is the right, I'm gonna them come up like a while. See them? Yeah. Jackfish and like nothing slow, you know? And now go outside. Look at it. Give me a good mileage now. Oh, holy pa baby jack a chase it. Holy peso. When you see jackfish in my hide so, borrow the boat. One big one too. You must be on patrol. Eh? And hold for bait fish up here. So. Fish on. Oh! Yeah. Now go back to him again. You know what's over there in the day, no? You know grab it good now. You know grab it good. Oh, I get a wind knot look well. Is there a wind knot there? Yeah. I'll protect you out. I'll go pull in the line and take you out. A whole heap of line that, you know, man. I'll just take a chance and make the lure sink. Wrong one, me go between. And now take you again, you know, man. Fuck, I see you look well. Me go lock him good, you know, man, and he just ease up. You see around there some Mel? Yeah. I know it's a barra around there, you know. I look on the water and see how that the reef set up, you know. One barra half of the around there in the morning, you know. Any which part the bait fish them, you know. There's a barra love hang out. Sorry, come in. And again, bite my hook back again. See if I might get one lucky this way. Might be hanging out right there someplace. Let's see what happens. Nothing on them. So they are lucky there, yo. They are lucky there, you know, it's a sure fish and a killer. Now play with me, you know, dog. It's dangerous, you know, dog. One more ugly cast right there, real quick. Might be another one over this side, you know what I'm saying? I saw them spread out and they spread out in a group, you know, man. You'll have one over here, one over there, one over there, and they hang out in different areas and they protect the area fully, dog. These niggas are so territorial. If you as a human being go down that area and they feel like you're not supposed to be there, all them do is surround you and change in color and open up the gill and all them because they're frightened you. Some night fishing, I don't want to do what we're saying. Now come man, permit there now. Last time I hold one of them done this. Brother, 2 days straight, me paying up £11.56. Yeah?
So guys, just to give you guys the incentive, Gio is cleaning up the fish that we caught. Some of the fish that we caught yesterday and the one that Nikki caught today. And Gio score them up, season them up, guys. I'll get the fire soon, you see it. So we have the fire light up over here, and we have the rest of the team and everything. Larry's here. We have Nell Bill, Barrow there, same way. And we got the line them set out, so guys. I'm about to do a battery change in a second. We're up on the beach. I'm going to hold a little vibes. TikTok live, same way, just like that. Outside.
I see you live up.
Yeah man, we have fire up the fish, guys. Oi, now drop the shit in the pot, you know.
Jerry, you want one fork and that one coming.
You want one fork? You better go find one piece of thick.
You can do a long fork.
We don't know long fork, Elder. A bush with there, you know. You better go find one piece of bamboo thick sharpen. No, you want a piece of bamboo, man. Or find a piece of clean mangrove thick. Yeah, man. Find one bamboo, man. One piece of bamboo, I guess. Yes.
Bamboo alone.
Guys, I hate that, you know. Yeah, do it. He's on stick fork today. Yeah, man. You know. Fish are fry, guys. Lunch a sauce out. You see it? Up on the water. Guys. On this, guys.
You're gonna hold it,
Lobster.
and we're gonna take a video, and I'm gonna be like,
Yeah, man.
gimme.
Look here, guys. Lobster pound food thing today, guys. That way I deal with. See them? Spiny lobsters, guys. Jamaican status. That's what's up. Outside. Yeah, guys. See that one? Jackfish, guys. Nikki, I eat up some jackfish when she catch. You see it? Eat what you catch. You see it? I ate that, guys. Natural vibe.
Listen, this fish tastes so good. I never had jackfish before, but it tastes good. Fresh fish, fresh fish.
Fresh, straight out of the water in the fire. Straight in the belly. Right, that's a look there, guys. You know, we're going to push right there. Larry ready for more fish again. Go on the road, Larry, man. How are you, man?
Larry, this fish is going good.
Larry love fishing up. Eat up some fish, guys, and chill. Morning, Jody. Big up yourself. Thank you for jumping in. I'm on the beach. We're munching. We have the lobster fried up. You know?
Imagine more pepper this in the
Oh my god. This is absolutely beautiful. Sorry for the upside down camera, guys. Yeah, man.
Oh, so imagine when
My hand them kind of mash up. This lobster is like absolutely amazing. Love it, guys. Yo, my J, big up yourself. Dogs up the side, yo, people. I mean, upside. Up. Wow, in that place, so damn, my J.
That's it.
Did I go to Baraka? One more lobster coming. Oh my gosh. We're feasting, guys. That's what's up. Seafood and drink. They're okay with it. Hey guys, we just here stuff myself. That's Larry, one lobster?
Yes, look on the screen. That
Ah, yeah, that looks good.
is.
Good, yeah. Mother now. Pull it, Larry.
I just said no,
I eat that in a guys, the lobster tail them we have to cook on the fire, yeah, so guys. Yeah, man. Just believe it. We have all the head then we have fry up right now, guys. Yeah, man. All fish we did are fry. This day, guys. Just I go and meet a local guys. Line them set on the beach. Not pick up yet. Wind is starting to kick up a bit, guys. See what's up, alright? Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Let's see what this is. This looks like a jack. He's turning sideways on me. Let's see what's up. Jackfish, guys. That's what's up. He's turning sideways. Sideways, jackfish. Jackfish. Frying pan. Chase the knife, frying pan, and I'm blood clean. Yeah, we didn't hook him, that's what I'm going to tell you. Yep, that's what's up, guys. It's on, guys. That's what's up. Yo, I caught a 5-pound one like that the other day. Actually, right here. Big old sitting Geo. So, yo!
Right there, sir.
Yeah. Fishing. This was it. It was a long day. It's time to go home. We've done it. We caught fish. We roast fish on the beach. We catch fish today. And had a great time. Awesome Sunday. So it's now 12 o'clock in the day. Nikki caught herself the biggest fish of the day. I caught the next jack, next size of her. So she gave me, it was 101 today, guys. So she didn't really win this competition because I did actually catch me a fish today. So stay tuned, guys, for the next epic adventure. Jamaican shore fishing, seafood and drinks. We are out here. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Big up yourselves. One love.